Hi, welcome to Sensitive YouTube channel. These are some gingerbread ornaments. So I have 4 different types, and you can choose one. And as you choose one, you can get some scissors. And you need to cut it out. Yeah, go ahead and cut it out. Go around it. Take your time, and you can choose whichever one you think looks gonna cool. And after you finish cutting it out, you're going to can add some puffy paint. And puffy paint is basically glue, shaving cream, and tempera paint all shaken together. And I'm using a Q-tip to apply it, or you could just squeeze it on if you can do that. Great. What else could you do? You could add sequins, and the sequins you can add on top of that, or get out some glue and put that there. I think the sequence looks kind of cool. So I've got some red, I've got some green, and I've got some white sequins, and I'm adding it where the buttons would be. So what else can you do? Here's glue. I could add some buttons to my ornament. I think that looks kind of cute. And then I thought, I'll add some sequins to the hands. And this is gold. And I'm going to kind of bunch it together. Don't put too much on it. It might fall off. What else could I do? I'm going to take a circle. It's just paper. I'm going to cut a triangle on one side and cut a triangle on the other side to cut out a bow. I think that's going to look really cool. And then I just need to glue it down. So you can just punch a hole in this and add either a ribbon or pipe cleaner and hang it on your tree. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.